Hey everyone, Daniel Rubino here, Windows Central, and all the announcements today at Microsoft Surface events. Surface headphones kind of came out of nowhere. Now there were some rumors about this, but a lot of details missing. So what makes these so cool, especially for $350? Yes, that's Bose level quality and pricing. And I have to admit, I actually have been wearing these for a little while and trying them out. They're really, really nice. I'm not sure if it justifies the price. You'll have to figure that one out, but let's talk about its features and what makes it unique. Now, it doesn't fold up, but it does lay flat like this, and it does come with a cool carrying case, which is really nice. But this thing has active noise cancellation. It actually has 13 levels to do that, and that's controlled through these dials on the side. So each side, one is for volume, the other one's a noise cancellation. So it's not on or off, it's a gradual system. So you can actually turn it and you can blend the music you're listening to while drowning out the noise or mix it. Interestingly enough, when you go to the other extreme, you can actually amplify the noise in the room. Meaning if you work in a quiet office, you could technically eavesdrop on other people near you by hearing them louder. That's kind of a unique feature, and I think it's actually kind of fun to use, but a little bit weird too. Audio quality is geared towards a little bit more bass, but there's a lot of cool options here. The sides are capacitive, so you can actually tap them, and tapping them does different results. Tap once and tap again is play and pause. Double tap goes forward, triple tap goes back. You can also tap to activate Cortana, because yes, this has Cortana built in it. It also responds to just saying, hey, I don't want to say Cortana. It'll activate it on your system. It does work with PC, of course, Windows 10, but will also work with Android and iOS through a separate app that will be downloaded. Now, what can you do with this app? It's actually pretty cool. You can do things like graphic equalizer, so it has it built in. You can change it to different presets or customize it yourself. You can also upgrade the firmware. So yeah, the software on this will get updated, and you can do that through the app. In terms of color schemes, well, yeah, it's just a platinum gray, the Surface color. No black planned yet, but who knows? Black has been a new thing they've been doing lately, so maybe later on. It also has memory foam for comfort, and 45mm drivers for these things. They're pretty solid headphones, I have to admit. Again, no release date on this. We're expecting it sometime in the holiday season. $350, not cheap. But if you're working in an office, you go to Starbucks, you want to throw on your music and basically drown out the people around you, this may be your choice. All right, looking at the bottom, we should also point out you have the power button and microphone button. And check it out. Sure, Surface Laptop and Surface Pro don't have Type-C, but the headphones do, so that's good. In fact, a quick 1 minute charge will give you something like 50 minutes of power out of these, so it's really fast charging for them. That's pretty awesome, actually. And you do have a dedicated 3.5mm headphone jack there. So yeah, you can hardwire these to your PC or Xbox or whatever you want to, in case you want to do it that way. In terms of material, you actually have some metal up here, which feels really nice, and of course, the Surface logo. There's some plastic here, and very soft ear cups, and it's very squishy on here on the top as well for the headband. Very comfortable to wear, so we'll have to compare it though to Bose as everybody else will, but I think these are pretty solid. I have a lot of faith in the Surface team, but you tell me, what do you think? Leave me a comment below. We'll of course have more coverage. Head to the description for more information about this device. Let me know what you think. Take care, everyone.